Namaste, this is MSc second semester class of spectroscopy, and today's our topic is selection rule and transition movement integral. In chemistry, selection rule define the transition probability from one energy state to another energy state. In this topic, we are going to discuss the transition movement, which is the key to understand the intrinsic transition probabilities. Selection rule have been divided into the electronic selection rule, vibration selection rule, and rotational selection rule. So now we discuss about the basic introduction about this rule. The transition probability is defined as the probability of particular spectroscopic transition to takes place when an atom and molecule absorbs a photon. The probability of an atom or molecule to transit from one energy level to another depends on two things. First is the nature of initial and final state, wave functions, and how strongly photons interact with the energy states. Transition strength are used to describe transition probability. Selection rules are utilized to determine whether a transition is allowed or not. Electronic dipole transitions are by far the most important for the topics covered in this module. So now we discuss about the transition movement. In an atom or molecule, an electromagnetic wave can induce an oscillating electric and magnetic moment if the frequency of the induced electric and magnetic moment is the same as the energy difference between one energy state psi 1 2 and another energy state psi 2. The interaction between an atom or molecule and the electromagnetic field is resonant. Typically, the amplitude of this movement is called the transition moment. In quantum mechanics, the transition probability of one molecule from the one energy state psi 1 to another energy state psi 2 is given by m21 square, and m21 is called the transition dipole moment or transition moment from psi 1 to psi 2. The mathematical formula can be written as m21 is equals to integral psi 2 mu bar psi 1 dt. The psi 1 and psi 2 are two different energy states in one molecule. M21 is the electric dipole moment operator. If we have a system with n molecules and each has charge quantum, and the dipole moment operator can be written as mu bar is equals to limit n to 0 qn xn bar. The xn is the position vector operator. So this is about selection rule and transition movement. Thank you so much. Hope you understand. Thank you.